Hi, my name is Jordan Cook, and I had to do a video on the cultural competence. So, the first one was, what does cultural competence mean to me? And to me, I feel that cultural competence is where the educator comes together to talk to other educators, but also it's more about diversity. And with being diverse, you're more engaging with people, and you're getting familiar and you're getting to know somebody. And when you get to know somebody, you're getting to know their values, getting to know their attitude and their behaviors. And then also for like the culture, as I see it, that's how I can see it if we're getting to know people. Another thing that was talked about is that how do we see ourselves? So for myself on the continentum chart, I do see that I would say it'd be cultural blindness, because if I were to explain that, it would be that people are different, yes, but I feel like everybody is ignored by their beliefs, and sometimes when they try to approach them, they don't know how to do that. And even in our system today, I feel like they try to make us equal by putting us like in all these different categories, but they just ignore like our strengths, trying to understand us, the effort, and trying to, seek that help. And then I feel like they blame us because we're like the victims here, for like what we're doing and our problems, but they don't see their side. However, from my own personal bias is that I see that I have the experience, to share with the students in the classroom, and then seeing how diverse it is, seeing how I can help them. I can also see that there's different cultural backgrounds, because even for me, I'm a reading tutor, and I do see those different backgrounds, whether or not for me and myself, but helping the students as a group. And then for even being and doing like little lessons, it's already like provided for me, but I feel like I can like teach the kids about culture, being diverse, what they can stand for, and then when we are like in that group, I can actually like give them books that they can read, and they can actually understand a little bit about their own culture. I do want to say that when I do teach them, they're actually kind of understanding what's going on, but they do ask a lot of questions. At times we do watch like the kid-friendly like videos and stuff on YouTube. It does show like how the kids can see how to be respectful, have that behavior and that attitude, but then also their cultural background. And then I feel like every student is different, and I feel that if I was to do like a little lesson, I could give them like a worksheet, and they can like draw how they can see themselves in society, to be in a culture oriented, and then how it can affect them.